Hey, I'm assuming that you clicked on this video because you want motivation or like you need motivation or you're procrastinating something and you're just trying to like get back into it. And I just wanted to start off by saying like you're doing a really good job. I've been seeing what you're doing and like I'm proud of you. You've been doing really good. And I want you to keep up that good work. You've been putting a lot of effort in everything you've been doing and you've been trying your best, and I really like to see that. I just want you to continue trying to do your best. I want you to put in as much effort as you can and just try and do your best, but don't think that you always need to be productive and actually like not take breaks. You can give yourself a break sometime. If you feel like you aren't being as productive, just go take a break. So you probably need it. That's your mind and your body telling you that you've been doing something for a good amount of time and that you just need to go and sit and think for a while, or go and play a game, or go do whatever you're wanting to do. But just if you need help making, like giving yourself motivation, write down what you're wanting, write down your goals, and write down steps of how you can get these goals. Write down the steps in the most little amount of way that you can to achieve your goals. Like, try and write down every step. Like, don't skip anything. And just try and follow those. Try and follow what you want to do step by step. It'll make everything seem so much easier, because whenever you're looking at your goals, you're looking at the steps too. So you're thinking about what you can do today rather than what you have to do for the rest of your life. A lot of stuff that you do will affect your future. So just try and make what you're doing now the best that you can. Try and plan out what you want to do now so that you will have that plan for the future, and your future self will thank you a lot, because they're gonna be like, oh, younger me was so much smart. I set out everything that I want to do and I've planned it all, and I've found a way to be able to overcome every obstacle and try my hardest. And there's a lot of stuff that sets people back, but it doesn't matter what sets you back, it matters how you came back. Because you can be set back, you could be in a race and you fell over, so you're behind 10 places. But it doesn't matter that you're behind, it matters if you keep going and if you can try and bring your position back. You don't have to try and live without setbacks and without things to overcome, because that's not possible. So you just have to prepare yourself the best that you can so that you can have a great comeback. So thank you for watching and have a good day.